Ooh. Real bad hair day, huh? Hope this makes it up for it. It's been like 5 months since we spoke about this. You know what I'm talking about. It's the Chapri Nibbi part 2.
And hey, wait. In the last video, you told everyone about my machine.
Machine?
My term, girlfriend.
What about it?
You can't disrespect your triple S bhabhi like that.
Triple S bhabhi. Triple S, more like triple C bhabhi.
Triple C.
And you know what C stands for? Chapri. That too 3 times. Oh, I'll cake murder you now. Lucy.
Analyze.
अपना टाइम आएगा. Roll the intro till then. Roll the intro.
एडवांस चाहिए अपन को पर 10 रुपए है जेब में. अब मैं क्या करूं बीड़ी फूकनी होगी.
क्या बोला तू? बीड़ी नहीं है तेरे पास, है ना बंगाली बीड़ी तो दे वो मुझे आज.
और बंटाई, ये अपनी छपरी सीरीज.
तुम्हारा भाई अंगार, बाकी सब है भंगार.
क्या?
Hello ACGs and welcome to my channel. Our last video on the Chapri Nibbi part 1 got a tremendous response. Check out these comments. मैं अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को ये वीडियो शेयर किया और वो मेरे को ब्रेकअप करके निकल गई. Well, you just can't share that to your girlfriend, you know, unless if she's not Chapri. I'm not calling your ex a Chapri. Oh, this is bad. In my college, everything matches with the girls you have mentioned and they think that they are looking like Kylie Jenner. They put some tutty lipstick and in their Instagram names are like this: ex Mrs. Lovey Dovey, fuck bro, and their BFs are like Sukhade Bidi. They come every evening to pick their Chapri Nibbis. Oh, low blow. Here's a comment from a girl who was apparently fed up with Chapri Nibbis. My ex left me for a Chapri. Sala firstly, what were you doing with that Beuda? Well, there were a lot of fun comments to read and we are finally gonna do it again. Let's start disrespecting Triple S Bhaus, Machine/Item and other similar girls. Very firstly, here's the disclaimer. Whatever we're talking about, it's just like a roast. It's like a joke, you know, a fun roast. We just want to change people for their betterment. And you know what? Just in case if my words hurt you or you feel I'm disrespecting you, then just stop being a chapri, that's all. The very first thing would be Tinder. You know, here's a personal story that I'm gonna share with you. You might have seen this or might even at least heard about a story similar to this one. There's this girl, we're not gonna name her, but just for the sake of this video, let's call her Attitude Girl. So Attitude Girl here uses Tinder. She has Tinder on her phone like most of us, but she doesn't use it like us normal people. What she does is she bought the Tinder Gold membership and she just leaves it right there. And whenever you strike a conversation with Attitude Girl, she'll somehow manage to take this conversation, whatever you're speaking about, and convert it into her Tinder conversation. She'll be like, oh, that's such a pretty lipstick. Do you have Tinder, by the way? Oh god, don't ask me, you know, there are so many guys on Tinder just liking me all the time. Just look at this list, yeah. There are 169 guys, yeah. So weird. I don't know what to do with all of them. So many guys like me. And you know, I don't even have the time to right swipe them, so I don't know what to do. That's a huge issue. Poor me. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. I don't have to say anything else. Just don't do this. Even with all of this bakchodi, at the end she ends up with a guy who is 26, 27 years old. You don't see a problem here? Wait. She's 16, 17 years old. Now do you see a problem? Exactly. How? Do you call him baby or do you just mistakenly sometimes call him uncle? Don't get me wrong, I'm very open to these age differences and, you know, getting into relationships with someone who is way older or way younger than you. I actually celebrated Nick Jonas and Priyanka's anniversary. But you see, these people are successful in their career lines, in their fields, and they're old enough to understand and take the responsibilities and handle them well. Unlike which the Chapri couple is totally not. Heck, these people think kissing or giving head makes you pregnant. Ugh. Point number 2 is social media. There's so many things I can tell you about by just looking at someone's social media profile. I can make an entire video just based on that. Tell me, what do we normal people do when we are sad? We take a break from our work, talk to our close friends maybe. Or if you are not one of the social people who likes to talk, you just smoke some weed, chill out, binge watch Netflix series and anime and just sleep it off. But if you're a Chapri Nibbi, is that an option? Not at all. Here's what you do if you're a Chapri Nibbi. You remove your profile picture from WhatsApp and Instagram, post a story saying something like, bye bye Instagram, don't wanna talk. Anyone don't ask why. What happens next is there are 30 to 40 Chapri Nibbas sliding into her DMs asking something like, are you okay babe? Is everything alright? What happened? And don't think that she's gonna reply to them. She just ignores them and leaves them on scene. And looking at all that attention, she's just back to normal now. She's not just a girl now. She's an attitude girl now. You see where the attitude comes from? And if you ask what was her real problem in the first place, it was that her local DJ Sattu from Sanpada didn't play her favorite song. डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला दो. कौन सा? टोनी कक्कड़ का चॉकलेट भैया. Tony isn't available. My chocolate is. The third thing on the list is, there's so many, I have to list them down. Outfits and shoes. Let's come to the outfits at first. They have every major luxury brand that you can think of. Louis Vuitton, they have it. Prada, they have it. Nike, Adidas, Balenciaga, they have it obviously. And their most favorite brand of them all, Gucci. In some brands ki not first, not even second. Yes again, not even third. They have the 10th copy of all these brands. I don't even have to mention how hideous their outfits are. And like they pair all of their weird outfits with those weird ugly buckle sandals. Thanks for the points by the way to the people I've asked on Instagram. I've added a lot of points from you guys. Thank you for the suggestions again. Those either the buckle sandals or the fattest Fila Disruptors ki 10th copy that weighs more than them. Now you know why they skip leg day. Oh wait, they don't go to the gym. My bad, I take it back. Lol. Our fourth point is, I can't say it in like 1 or 2 words. Here's how it goes. There are 2 of my personal experiences that I'm about to share. The first one was, I was like walking down the street and there was this girl on her scooty who just like took a straight, stiff turn, direct turn without showing any indicator or anything. And there was this guy behind her who was almost gonna crash, alright? And this guy is like super mad and he calls her out. And he asks her if she is new. New in the sense she is new to riding. To which she answered, I to turn here every single day. And maybe you're new here, BOYA. And before I tell you the second story, which is a combination of a lot of incidents that I've seen, here's a warning. Whenever you see a Chapri Nibbi riding a scooter, stay at least 50 feet away from her. It's because they don't show any indicators. Even if they do sometime, they show the wrong one. If you honk behind them so that you can go ahead, they just don't move like a dumb buffalo. That's offensive for buffaloes. Buffaloes are smarter than them. And the most infamous one, they never stop their scooty with their brakes. They stop it with their legs. And by chance, if someone does apply brakes, they apply both of them at the same time and like super tight that they just fall. See, I'm not a guy who puts women down based on these typical stereotypes. Women can drive just as good as men, maybe sometimes even better. If you ride or drive like this, you're a Chapri Nibbi. And if you don't, you're fine. You don't have to worry, alright? Don't just go there and comment feminist things in there. I'm a feminist too. For your knowledge, a real one.
Sun meri baat. It's her choice.
But before that, don't forget to check the previous 3 points if you sit under one of them, And the 5th point, which is, alright, This is a little bit of a serious topic. It's applying powder. I know it doesn't sound very serious, but it is. And no, I'm not talking about your tinted powder. I'm talking about that extreme white talcum powder from brands such as Pond's, Yardley or that White Tone. Firstly, talcum powder which is made from the mineral talc, it's not good for your skin at all. You should never apply these. You can just Google the side effects of talc on your skin. But that is not the highlight point of this point. If you are a person who applies a little bit of that talc powder so that you can get an oil-free look, it's fine. It's an exception. It's fine. I'm talking about those people. I'm for sure you've seen these people. What the fuck? Okay, never mind. I'm talking about the people who have rich and dark skin and still apply a ton of powder to look fairer, which actually doesn't make you look fair. It just leaves those weird white patches, and that is such a weird and ugly color. Your natural color looks so amazing, but after the ton of powder on your face, on your rich skin, it's just the ugliest color that I can imagine. One of the ugliest colors. Wait, you don't need to comment anything in the comments right now. You don't have to be mad at me. Firstly, hear me out completely. Watch this entire video and then give your response of what your take is on this matter. Alright? So just wait and just be with me. Have you ever wondered why black people, black American people or other Western countries or all these black people in general look so good? Women especially. In women, there are like plenty of beautiful women. They are like one of the most beautiful people in this world. Compare them to a lot of common Indians who have a similar skin complexion. They just don't look as good. And no, it's not the genetic. It does play a huge role, but apart from that, it's skincare and taking care of your body. These two things is what I feel make you the best or the perfect version of yourself. Here in India, because of that whole white supremacy thing that ended a lot of years back, still a lot of these weird typical families, the old people in their family still have that white supremacy thing in their head that they pass down to the next generation and in their family. These people still think fairer is better, and this is what results in making of these shitty pointless fairness creams and these white talc powders that fake promise you to instantly make your skin much fairer. But unlike us, black people in Western countries, they don't give a shit about their changing their skin complexion, because firstly, that is not true. That just can't happen unless if you get surgery. What they focus is on their skin quality. They focus on how to make their skin glow, how to make their skin look good, feel vibrant. Cleaning of their pores, taking care of their acne, taking care of their acne marks, cleaning up their skin, moisturizing it, removing blackheads, smoothing the skin. This is what they focus on. Here the people just don't give a shit about all these things. Instead, they just end up blaming their own skin. That is just so stupid. Your skin color, your skin complexion does not matter a bit. Take care of your skin, take care of your body, and see the results for yourself. And well, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I feel the last point was something that I wanted to speak a lot of time back, but I felt this was the right time to say it. This was the right video to say it in. And well, this was quite a long video, so without wasting your time, if you want to talk to me and other people like you, like the subscriber group that we have, you can join our Discord server, the Anti-Chapri Gang, and be an ACG, so just join the Discord group. The link is in the description. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned below. It's at StreetStyleScape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly. I'm on Snapchat as well for sharing some personal stuff, so go add me on Snapchat as well. I'm on Twitter too, so go follow me at StreetStyleScape on Twitter. Again, that was all ACGs. Thank you so much once again. Stay stylish, stay safe, don't be a Chapri, Nibba or a Nibbi. Triple S out.